You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful reviews. LiftForward Business Loan Review, Usage and Experience. Links to LiftForward and details on their business loan products are available in the description below. LiftForward operates as a specialized lending platform, concentrating on providing equipment financing and working capital solutions to small and medium-sized businesses. With its tailored financing options, LiftForward presents an ideal solution for businesses seeking rapid and efficient funding for growth initiatives or operational management. LiftForward provides term loans and equipment financing, typically offering loan amounts between $5,000 and $1 million. Repayment terms are dependent on the specific loan type, but generally range from 12 to 60 months, providing flexibility aligned with your business's cash flow. A distinguishing feature of LiftForward is its streamlined and efficient process. The online application is straightforward, requiring minimal documentation compared to traditional lenders. Approval decisions are often delivered within 24 hours, with funds typically disbursed shortly thereafter. This rapid turnaround makes LiftForward an excellent choice for businesses needing quick access to capital. A key advantage of choosing LiftForward lies in its customizable financing options for equipment leasing and purchasing. This is particularly valuable for businesses in sectors such as retail, manufacturing, and technology, where regular equipment upgrades or expansions are essential. LiftForward collaborates with vendors and businesses to create tailored payment plans, ensuring affordability and accessibility for acquiring necessary assets. LiftForward is best suited for established businesses demonstrating consistent revenue streams and a good credit history. While impeccable credit isn't mandatory, the platform assesses factors such as your business's financial health and growth potential. Startups or businesses with fluctuating revenues might encounter more difficulty in qualifying. Furthermore, interest rates can fluctuate based on creditworthiness and loan terms, so carefully reviewing the offered rates is crucial. In summary, LiftForward is a robust option for businesses in search of fast and adaptable financing solutions, especially for equipment acquisitions and working capital requirements. Its simplified application process, rapid funding, and customizable options position it as a dependable resource for growth-oriented businesses. Utilize the links in the description to explore LiftForward's loan offerings and assess their suitability for your business objectives. This review aims to empower you to make a well-informed and confident decision.